Hi Peaches! Welcome back to our channel. Today we finally answer to one of the most highly requested videos by you guys. We heard you guys were saying how difficult to achieve natural outer double eyelid. So we scouted around and found few tutorials that might be helpful for you guys. If you're interested, please keep on watching. This video will be divided into 3 parts. First, the types of eyelid. Second, the types of eyelid sticker. Third, how to place your eyelid stickers based on your eye shape. And lastly, some makeup tips for single lid ladies. There are various types of eyelids. It's important to know your eyelid types, so that you can pick out eyelid sticker that suits you the best. Time to grab a mirror and check out which type of eyelids that you have. Before we start, I would like to have a little disclaimer here. We are not trying to shame any types of eyelid. Anyone can look beautiful with any types of eyelid, and it's up to your personal preference that you think which eyelid type suits you the most. First, we have the outer double eyelid, which can also be different in the width of lids. Some people might have more prominent double eyelid, due to the position of the crease. Well, some might have inner double eyelid. This type of eyelid will have less prominent fold compared to outer double lid. Lastly, we have single eyelid. However, the thickness of eyelid skin also affects the selection of eyelid stickers too. There are plenty of eyelid stickers available in the market. You will need to find the best type that fits your eye shape or eyelids. First, we have the eyelid tape. Eyelid tape needs to be cut by yourself, and it's not really beginner friendly, because newbie wouldn't really know the exact size which is suitable for themselves. Besides that, it is not invisible on your lid. People still can tell that you're having eyelid stickers on your eyelid. This eyelid tape is more suitable for those who already have outer or inner double eyelid or those who has thin eyelid. Second, the crescent shape eyelid stickers. This type of sticker is more suitable for those who have bigger eyes or double eyelid. It is a no-no for those who have smaller eyes, as it doesn't look natural on smaller eye shape. Third, the wide and round end eyelid stickers. This is only helpful when you have double eyelid and you wish to adjust the width of your lid. Fourth, slim crescent shape. From the reviews on China beauty websites, it is not really helping in single eyelid girls too. You might have to skip this if you are a single eyelid girl. Fifth, curvy sharp end sticker. This type of stickers is more suitable for inner double eyelid girls. Sixth, the elongated oval shape sticker. This type of sticker is known as the most suitable sticker for single lid girls with puffy eyes. This will help to support the skin of your lid and able to give very natural double fold that lasts for long hours. Other than that, we found out that the material of eyelid stickers matters too. There are 2 types of materials. One is the usual 2-sided tape, while the other type, China beauties called it the lace tape. From the posts and reviews that we've read, seems like lace tape works better than the 2-sided tape. We hope that listing down the types of stickers here will make the job of finding the most suitable sticker for yourself easier. However, what we suggested here are not carved into stone. You might need to do some trial and error to find your best eyelid stickers. Coming to the most important part, how to stick eyelid stickers according to your eyelid types. For this part, we have this super helpful tutorial by Milky Milk. She will show you how to put your stickers correctly to get the natural double eyelid look. The first step before placing the sticker on your eyelid, please make sure that your eyelid is dry and not greasy. To ensure that, you can use a puff sponge and take some setting powder. Gently set the powder on your eyelid, then use your finger to touch it to ensure that it is grease-free and not damp. This step can help your sticker to stick on your skin better and allow it to stay on your skin for longer hours. If your eyelid gets greasy easily, you definitely shouldn't miss this step. She says that she likes the slim crescent shape as it looks best on her eyes. If you want to take your eyelid stickers out the card, do not pick from the ends. Gently pick from the middle using the little rod that comes with the sticker, and it is removed from the card. If your eyelid stickers look like this, tear it down following the dotted lines and remove the eyelid stickers from this side. For girls who have single eyelid, place your stickers close to your lash line like this. Remember to not get your lashes stick. Then, slightly pull at both ends to ensure a better support on your lid. If you still don't understand, that's okay. She will show you again. This is how single eyelids look like when our eyes are closed. When you're placing your eyelid stickers, place it close to your lash line like this. The red color region that is drawn here is the area that you should place your eyelid stickers. When you're sticking the sticker on your lid, remember to pull both of its ends like this. Both lace tape or 2-sided tape can be sticked by using the same technique. If you're having inner double eyelid, you will have a crease when you close your eyes. So, your eyelid stickers should be placed across the crease. This is to create a new fold by covering up the original crease. If you have puffy eyes, you might need to pull your eyelid stickers further on your lid. Next, we have a tutorial from a China beauty guru named Steffi. She has a guest here who has one eye with single eyelid and another eye with inner double eyelid. First, make sure your eyelid is grease-free by setting your eyelid with loose powder. Besides that, you need to make sure that there is no excess powder on your lid too. First, you can use the eyelid stick to estimate the width of fold that you want. This can help you to find the width that you want according to your preference. If you have shorter eye shape, you can actually cut the eyelid sticker shorter to fit the length of your eyes. She says eyelid stickers should be placed at the crease that your eyelid can be folded. For example, the line here. This is the crease that her eyelid can be folded. So place your eyelid sticker on top of that crease. Look, it's so natural. This allows your eyes to look brighter when they are opened. Even you're not wearing makeup. This step makes a big difference too. By following this step, inner double eyelid girls can also achieve the natural outer double eyelid look without having to put on makeup. If you repeat the same step on her other eye which has single eyelid, it will cause another issue. Look, her eyelid cannot withstand the pressure from the sticker. It makes her eyelid look droopy and pushing her lashes downward. So what can we do here is, take a wider slim crescent sticker and cut the end off. Then, place the wider end on the inner corner of your lid. This will help the inner corner to withstand the pressure better. Look at the difference. She looks so natural and you can't even tell she is having stickers on her lid. Here is some makeup tip after putting on eyelid sticker. Try to avoid brushing your eyeshadow from the end of your eyes to the inner corner. You should layer your eyeshadow with little product and in multiple layers, starting from the middle of your eyes, then slowly extend to both ends of your eyes. Also, try to avoid the gathering of excess powder at both ends of your eyes. By using this technique, your eyelid sticker is still not visible. Use a darker shade and apply it at your outer corner. Precisely, the 1/3 of your outer corner. Do not brush it in inward direction. Remember to layer it in outward direction. Also, brush it over your lower lid too. Look, it makes our eyes look less puffy. Take a light shimmery shade and apply it at inner corner. If you think your eyes still look puffy, add more eyeshadow at the front part of your lid here. Wow, her eyes look so much brighter now. I hope these tips are useful for you. If you are still struggling to get the most natural double lid fold for your eyes, explore more and practice more. You will sure find your way to achieve this look. Here comes to the end of our video. Like and subscribe us if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!